Welcome to Fairfield Powersports, Harley-Davidson of Danbury. My name's Al Lucchino. I just want to welcome you into our virtual showroom here today. And I've got a 2025 C600 in Camo with a coal pin plow already installed for you. This is a fantastic ATV, and you don't want to shovel snow. Shoveling snow is just simply heart attack work. Come on down to Harley-Davidson of Danbury, also known as Fairfield Powersports, and get on this C600. It's $77.49. The plow adds $850, and the pricing does not include the factory freight and setup cost. It's a bargain. Let me tell you what this ATV comes with. Number one, handguards. Number two, electronic power steering. Number three, composite over steel racks, alloy wheels. Number four, four-wheel disc brakes. Number five, all standard equipment. The winch is standard equipment on the C600, as is the 43 horsepower single-cylinder fuel-injected engine. We've got a CVTech fully automatic transmission, so ease of operation, it's a piece of cake. Trailer receiver, again, CFMoto, more standard features than any other ATV in the industry, and they wrap it all up for you with a 1-year warranty. Extended service packages are available for up to 5 or 6 years. At Harley-Davidson of Danbury, we've got you covered. This is a fantastic vehicle, and again, don't shovel snow. Snow blowers, you get all the cold weather and snow blowing right back in your face. Get this C600 with a plow. It's ready to go. Beat the next snowstorm and don't get yourself a heart attack. Thanks for watching. My name's Al Lucchino. I appreciate your business. Our dealership's a family-owned business for the last 30 years. We're located right here, exit 7 off I-84 at 51 Federal Road. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the dealership.